OnePlus Nord CE2 5G Beast Gaming Phone. Hello and welcome to another channel name video. In this video, we will talk about OnePlus Nord CE2 5G Beast Gaming Phone. Before moving further, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. OnePlus offered the original Nord CE, one of the company's most affordable smartphones, mainly to those who had never purchased a OnePlus device before. It served as OnePlus's gateway drug, demonstrating what the brand was all about to potential owners. As a result, OnePlus might be forgiven for not making significant changes to the phone for the sequel. However, OnePlus may have to wait a while before making any enhancements, since the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G is so strong that it may wind up being everything that people new to OnePlus need for the next several years. OnePlus has announced the Nord CE2 5G, which the company claims delivers a little bit more than you would anticipate. We would say they're not lying, given the mid-range MediaTek processor, rapid charging, and the surprisingly sleep-friendly design. What you need to know is as follows. What is the price of the Nord CE2? This time around, OnePlus has kept things simple. There is just one version of the Nord CE2 available in the United Kingdom and Europe. It features 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and is available for £299, €349. In India, there's a 6GB RAM, 128GB model starting at 23,999 Indian rupees, as well as the same 8 plus 128GB variant set to cost 25,999 rupees. What about the specifications of the OnePlus Nord CE2? Because the Nord CE2 is priced at the lower end of the OnePlus range, it does not introduce many new features, but it does borrow a number of design cues from its more costly siblings. The design is one rather unusual feature. The CE2 is available in Bahama Blue or Grey Mirror and features a design that falls between that of a OnePlus phone and that of its parent company, Oppo. While the display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, the phone's frame and back are made of plastic. However, this material is curled upward to form the camera module, similar to the considerably more costly Oppo Find X3 Pro. Additionally, the Nord CE2's casing features a 3.5mm headphone port, which is a relative rarity these days. Additionally, it is tiny, measuring 7.8mm, the thinnest OnePlus phone since the 6T. The display is a 6.43-inch AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of up to 90Hz, quite standard for the Nord phones thus far, and practically identical to the screen seen on the Nord 2. On the inside, you will discover a MediaTek Dimensity 900, a reasonably priced mid-range chipset. It comes with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, but it also has a triple card tray, which is a lovely touch. This allows you to insert 3 different SIM cards, both of which support 5G, as well as a micro SD card to enhance your capacity. The battery capacity is 5,500 mAh, and OnePlus claims that it supports 65 watts to provoke fast charging, which should offer a full charge in just 32 minutes. A triple rear camera is included, the primary lens is 64 megapixels and f1.7. It is supplemented by an 8 megapixels ultra-wide and a 2 megapixels macro. There's a 16 megapixels front camera for selfies. In terms of software, the phone will come pre-installed with Android 11 and Oxygen OS 11. OnePlus is offering 2 Android version upgrades and the 3rd year of security fixes. However, given that the first of those updates will bring the phone up to Android 12, the final update will be to Android 13, which as soon as the end of the year. Is the Nord a gaming beast? Users frequently choose smartphones based on a few crucial factors such as ergonomic design, a rich display and camera, a large storage capacity, and other critical qualities such as a quick CPU and a robust battery. However, everyone's favorite parameter, one that is frequently unavailable to the millions of smartphone users when analyzing the gadgets, is innovation. OnePlus, on the other hand, offers a unique experience to its clients. OnePlus has unveiled its new smartphone, the OnePlus Nord 2 X Pac-Man Edition. While it has many of the same specs as a normal Nord 2 5G smartphone, it is being marketed as a gadget that pushes the boundaries of a daily phone while also offering a gaming experience. As the name implies, it appears to be excellent for gamers. Are you also perplexed by the same question that has been circulating on the internet? Why did OnePlus team up with Pac-Man? The smartphone company recently announced in a statement that it is trying to take entertainment to the next level with its next product. As a consequence, the OnePlus Nord 2X Pac-Man edition has emerged quicker, smoother, and far more enjoyable than its predecessor, promising to provide customers with a pleasant experience. New innovations. The company embedded games, challenges, and an abundance of Pac-Man material into the device's software, leaving much for consumers to discover and unlock. This is why the Pac-Man edition is ideal for gamers and Gen Z. The phone's design is also novel. The phone features a black cover and a dual film construction with phosphorescent ink placed to the device's innermost film, which glows in the dark. Specifications and features. Concerning other aspects such as durability and performance, the OnePlus Nord 2X Pac-Man edition has the Oxygen OS UI. The smartphone is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC and features 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The phone features a 50MP Sony IMX766 main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro device. A 32MP front-facing camera is concealed under the hole punch cutout on the 6.33-inch Super AMOLED display's upper left corner. This smartphone features a 4500 mAh battery with 65 watts rapid charging capabilities, allowing for uninterrupted usage without the need to constantly carry a charger. Additionally, there's an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock capabilities for added safety and security. The OnePlus Nord 2X Pac-Man edition will be available in a single 12GB RAM, 256GB storage configuration for 37,999 Indian rupees. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do like and subscribe, and don't forget to give comments and provide us with your valuable feedback. Plus, you want to suggest us a topic for the next video, feel free to tell us. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned to channel name.